Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back friends. Today I'm doing a plan with me in my Live Rich planner by The Budget Mom. If you've been watching my channel, you know that since I purchased this planner, I have fallen in love with it. I unfortunately have been so busy that I haven't been able to really get in and do my setups each week. But coming into the new year, I want to get back on track with using this planner on a regular basis, and I'm excited to be sharing those videos with you as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my blank slate for this coming week. I'm going to be planning for the week of January the 4th through the 10th of 2021. The first thing I like to do when starting my spreads is to put down my date dots. Okay, now that my date dots are in place and my days of the week, I move into my actual schedule for each day. I just want to point out that I was using some extra planner Kate date dots that came with the kit for the Daily Duo. I tend to use these in my planner if I have the right set of dates, and this works because I had a navy blue set that goes well with the theme I plan to use today. Then I also have these days of the week script stickers from the Monarch Plans sticker shop. I love her shop for script stickers. She features a lot of scripts or phrases or things that people don't always think about making for their planner, so I tend to shop off of her site as well. As you can see, I've used a good bit of these days of the week stickers in my planners. Okay, so as far as decorating for this week, I plan to use the Happy Planners It's Your Year to Shine sticker book. This was one of the first ones featured in the Be Happy box a while back. We're talking a couple years maybe. And I have used some of the stickers in this particular book, but I have quite a few left. And I love the color theme and how it really points to the new year. So I'm hoping to be able to use this as my primary decorating accessory for this planning session. And then also I have some matching washi, which is really pretty with the rose gold. And I plan to use that as well for this particular spread. The first thing that I like to do when it comes to setting up my schedule is designating my work hours because they're pretty consistent throughout the week. So this week in particular, I'm actually taking off on Monday because we have quite a few doctor's appointments, which I will notate a little later. Tuesday through Friday, I do plan to work and I want to designate those hours. So I'm going to actually use the washi for that this time. So that is the beginning of my day at 10 a.m. and then my day ends at 6 p.m. So I'm actually going to So we start off with those work designations, And then I actually have some stickers that say work on them, so I'm going to pull those out. And I'm going to use these cute work stickers from Mama Gloria. So those are my work hours. I'll fill in the information before I finish up the spread. And the next thing I want to do is actually designate any appointments we have this week. So let me get out my appointment sticker book. And I'm going to be using the appointment sticker book from the Happy Planner. I tend to use a lot of Happy Planner stickers in my planners just because they're bright and vibrant and go well with most of my spreads. But you can use literally anything, or you can just hand write them in, which is perfectly fine. Then I also want to notate that Monday is a day off for me, so let me just find a sticker box if I can. So I've got my day off notated. I've got the 2 appointments I have on Monday. I don't have any appointments on Tuesday or Wednesday. Thursday, I have therapy in the afternoon at 3 p.m. So let me pull out my appointment book again. Now I'm going to designate time on Saturday. This is pretty much my foundation in terms of what my week will look like. Now there are quite a few other things I need to fill in and account for throughout the week. So and then the next thing that I want to record is my system. So I've come up with a new set of systems to kind of get my life in alignment and make sure that I'm targeting some of the long-term milestones that I want to do, but then also kind of building in regular habits for self-care, for enrichment, for things like that that are important to me. So I'm going to designate some of those things here. And actually, before I do that, let me just fill in some of my weekly tasks that are pretty standard throughout my week. Then I also like to do cleaning at least 3 times a week. And these are just some cute little bucket stickers that I purchased from Planner Kate. But you can, once again, doodle in whatever you need. You do not have to use stickers as much as I do. So that's just to notate areas in my house that I want to clean on those designated days. I do still need my payday sticker. Okay, this is my payday sticker, which goes for Friday. And that pretty much designates all of my significant things that I want to do in terms of my household. Now we focus on my me time, and then I'll go back and fill in some things aesthetically. My evenings I tend to designate for self-care, and as I said, this year I'm trying to implement a new systems process in which I designate self-care, enrichment, wellness, all those things at least once a week on a regular basis, get into the habit of actually making those things happen. Whatever I end up doing after meditation will probably be more around the relaxing mode, watching television or just reading or something that I just want to do leisurely with that time in the evening. But that just designates self-care things, wellness things, and my new systems that I'm trying to put in place for making sure that I'm taking care of myself on a regular daily basis. So those are my evening routines. Now I can kind of go back and fill in for what else needs to occur this week or just decorative things. I have filled in the majority of my functional stickers. I'm now going to write in the information that I need in different places, and then I'm going to go back and fill in some final decorative things to close out my week. Okay, so now I have essentially all of my basic information in place, my self-care actions in place. Dinner I will fill in throughout the week as it's completed. I just want to go back now and kind of fill in some decorative things to finish out my page and cover up the free space. Not all of it, but enough to make this a more complete spread. That is my spread for this coming week. As you can see, I have quite a bit starting to go on again, or at least planned for this week. I really do like the spread. I normally don't do a lot over here. If there are notes for the week, I just fill those in as needed. Also workouts, I try to note those if I need them. I think I actually might start writing in my systems over here, not every week, but for a couple of weeks, just to get myself into the rhythm of what they need to be. So you may see that also in a final pick, or at least by my next spread. I really do like the way that it turned out, and using the sticker book that I chose for this spread, the It's Your Time, It's Your Year to Shine stickers. Yeah, I really do like this. I hope you did as well. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!